Ever get that rumble in your tummy, but you're not even hungry? What's up with that? It's not your stomach talking. It's your intestines. Think of your digestive system as a busy highway. All day long, it's moving gas and fluids, creating these little gurgling sounds. Normally, the food in your stomach muffles the noise. But when your stomach is empty, there's nothing to absorb the sound, so it's like your internal plumbing is putting on a concert. That rumbling is called borborygmi, and it's a completely normal sign that your digestive system is working hard and just doing its thing. So yeah, your belly's just vibing. It's a good thing. If you found that interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool facts. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.